Good morning guys from Manali. It's 20th of March. Trip has officially ended. It's the last day in Manali. We have our bus, our Volvo to Delhi at 5:30 p.m. There's a bus stop here. I don't think it will start from here. This is the HRTC bus stop. We have to go somewhere there to catch the HPTTC Volvo. Yeah, feeling a bit sad. Have to leave the mountains and the snow behind, go to the plains and go back to Calcutta, and again the same hustle, the same slogging, the same grinding, regular schedule of office, everything. But yeah, that's life. Yeah, because we have office and the regular hustle and the regular schedules, the scheduled life, we can actually appreciate these breaks. Currently, my friends are all, what should I say, lazing around, not time passing. So, guys, how's the feeling? Trip has ended. Be sad. Do you be sad that it's over, or be happy that it happened?
No, the trip was.
Don't be sad that it's over.
Kind of both actually.
Okay.
Trip was epic, but
The trip was epic.
Trip was epic. Trip was absolutely epic.
have to end sometime.
Yeah, good things end. It was constructed in the year 1970 and it serves the people of Lahaul and Spiti, Kinnor, Zaskar, that sect of Buddhism. Very calm and peaceful surroundings. There's a Shorten over there, Shortens which you saw in Mahakal temple. Every Buddhist monastery has Shortens. That's a Shorten over there. Nestled amidst the hills is this monastery. So if you are doing your shopping for your relatives and family in the Manali market, which is just outside, you can pay a visit to this monastery and spend some time here. Isn't it lovely, guys? हम लोग थे होटल हाईवे इन में, होटल हाईवे इन, which cost us around 900 rupees per day. Based on your haggling skills, I don't know. We didn't do any booking on booking.com and make my trip. We just came and picked out a hotel. Abhinav stayed there previously, so the hotel turned out to be very good, very quick service, very prompt service. Food is good. We are at Kunzum Hotel, which is the official HPTTC hotel cum restaurant and tourist information office official. यहाँ पे पूछताछ करने आए कि वोल्वो कहाँ से छूटेगी. HPTTC वाला वोल्वो जो है, यहाँ पे जो HRTC का वोल्वो स्टैंड है वहाँ से नहीं छूटती अभी. You have to go down a bit from the mall towards the river side where there is the HPTTC Volvo bus stand. बाकी I think you have to book well in advance to get a place in Kunzum Hotel, which is HPTTC's official hotel. सिर्फ दिल्ली के लिए वोल्वो है, बाकी सारे जो रूट्स है चंडीगढ़ कालका उसके लिए सारी नॉर्मल नॉन एसी बस. खाना पीना खत्म हो चुका है. वी हैव फिनिश्ड आवर लंच, हैड बंगाली थाली एट बंगाली रेस्टोरेंट एंड वी आर फुल एंड फीलिंग वेरी स्लीपी. अभी थोड़ा वन विहार में जाके थोड़ा रिलैक्स करेंगे. टाइम हो रहा है 3-2.5 घंटे में बस है. थोड़ा बैठेंगे फिर चल पड़ेंगे और क्या. भुंटर, फिर मनाली से वी वेंट टू सिसु बाय अटल टनल टिल किलोंग. If we had gone further, we would have reached Baralacha, which is close as they said, Darcha, and even further is Udaipur and all that, which our driver was saying कि लेके जाऊँगा. I don't know how much we would have charged then. We are at our final tourist attraction or tourist point in Manali, the Van Vihar National Park, just opposite, just few hundred meters outside the Mall Road. Entry fee is 50 rupees. Timing is 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. in summer months. In winter months, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. I'm guessing it's still winter for them, March, so it's 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. There are shops over here. There's a meditation area. You can also do paddle boating over there. There's a paddle boating. Finally, here at the HPTC bus stop, from where the Volvo will start its journey to Delhi. There are other buses here also. There are HRTC buses. HRTC Volvo is also around me. This is our bus, HPTC Volvo. The HRTC bus stop, the main bus stop is in the Mall, but the HPTC Volvos, here there is a 2-kilometer trek downhill, and you come to this valley where all the buses, HPTC buses are starting. You may take an auto based on your convenience. We walked the entire 2 kilometers. Other than HPTC and HRTC, there are other bus operators also, like Indo-Canadian, which also has a huge fleet of Volvos. Finally, nothing much more to say. बस चलेगी, दिल्ली के लिए रवाना हो जाएंगे हम लोग. आगे बात करते हैं. Hey guys, it's 22nd of March, Monday, and another Monday. Last Monday, things were different. We were in the hills. This Monday, we're all back home. Normal life has started. It's the norm of life. Life goes on. The only, as I said earlier, the only reason we can enjoy these small getaways is because of the work and the office and the job we have, which helps us to appreciate the small breaks which we take. Anyway, it was a very successful trip. Yesterday I was very tired. I couldn't vlog much in the plane, and it was a rush at the airport. I came home, I had to sanitize myself. By the way, by the time this video has been uploaded, you may have seen all of the Himachal series vlogs, and I'd like to thank you for watching and your feedbacks which you have provided. Thank you for watching. As you know the drill, what to do. Subscribe to my channel. Also comment what you felt like about this video. Comment about how you felt about this series, and yeah, share it amongst your friends. And also, when you subscribe, don't forget to press that bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person who will get the notification. With that, keep watching, keep traveling, stay safe, enjoy. Bye.